What's up, your boys? Hey, how y'all doing? Sorry I haven't been getting updates, giving you guys updates on what's going on with the Supra. Hopefully you guys can see me well. Hopefully I don't look weird. But today I bring you guys a sweet little update. So I was having trouble for the past few months locating piston rings for this motor. All the ones I've been getting sent to were a lot thicker. I'm not sure if I talked about this on my previous video, but these rings were actually way too big to seat itself inside the little grooves right here. Get that to focus real quick, please. There you go, on the little grooves right there. But I ended up finding that this place called Total Seal, they make custom piston rings, and so they had some, and they were local here in Phoenix, Arizona. And so we got some set made, so that's good. It sets me right above where I gotta go, and so now I'm here to put those pistons inside the 1UZ. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a quick little cool update I did on the Supra while I was waiting for the piston rings to get made. Hold up, actually let me get another piston. I'm missing a piston, and I put that in the cresta. So let me go get my keys. Where's my keys at? Oh, they're over here. I did a little quick update on the Supra, on the cresta. Quick little update on the cresta, really quick. My fault. I'm stumbling on my words. But we took the drag wing off that was on it. I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I took off the drag wing. Oh, they locked me in here. Sorry. There's the crest of this. So, my fault. A quick little update. Like I was saying before, there was a drag wing on it. I took it off. The hood vent's coming off pretty soon. Just hot here in Arizona, so I keep it for cooling purposes. But as y'all can see, we added that. Looks pretty sick. Like it. Well, I like it a lot. It looks pretty cool at night. And yeah, car's been doing good to me, and I've been training it very well and whatnot. And let me just grab these pistons out of here really quick. There you go. All right. So yeah, just so you guys know, the cresta has been doing good to me. Hasn't messed up or hasn't done anything like that yet. We got the pistons, and so I'm gonna walk right over here really quick and show you guys what's up with the Supra. Set this right here really quick. And while that's there, let's just take a look at this. So let me just run you guys over real quick. Let me run it down real quick. So almost 240. Let me find my words real quick. People who own 240s know exactly what they have to do when they have to lower their car. Let's just say that really quick. They have to tuck their wiring harness, right? They have to tuck their body harness because they don't want to rub it. They don't want to rub it when they lower their car. And so that's exactly what I did. I tucked it, and I made it look good. So let me just show you guys really quick. I used this type of loom harness, whatever this is called. I used that, the same one I used to rewire my harness on the engine harness on the 1UZ. It's exactly what I did to this body harness, and it's all tucked. It looks pretty nice. Let me just take this all off. Well, let me just cut back. Sorry, let me cut back to when I have all this taken off. All right, y'all could probably not see this because it's too dark, but I ended up doing this, so I rewired this whole thing and drilled some holes in here, and I smacked this up right here and ran the wiring right through here. So had to do it, so it's done, and it's done on this side and that side as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all back on, but just a little quick update that I did on the Supra so far. I've been busy doing stuff with work, getting enough money, and then being also able to I think there's a cat that's distracting me, but being able also to save up enough money to buy more parts for this build, as that stuff is not cheap by any means. It's expensive. Matter of fact, on some lines I just spent a good amount of money buying some lines from XAT. But I'm gonna quit rambling. I'm gonna put this all back up, and I'm gonna do what I have to do with the pistons. So I'll be right back, and I'm gonna try to figure out what's up with this cat. So be right back. All right, what's up, y'all? Hey, anyways, last time y'all saw this, it had no pistons in it. So me and the homie Tyler, say what's up, Tyler. Hey, boy, I ain't gonna lie to you. The camera will never do me justice, and the camera ain't doing you no justice, my boy. But anyways, homie helped me with the whole putting the pistons and stuff like that. We got the new ARP bolts up in the piston rods, and everything's in, and everything is not torqued down yet. We got something to eat real quick before we start doing all that, but the whole assembly rotates pretty smoothly. We're gonna be tightening and torquing down each crankshaft bolt and stuff like that, and then we're gonna do the pistons. But roughly, I think that's all we're gonna do for today. And yeah, so we're gonna eat this food that we got, and then we're gonna get back to it. But sorry I didn't show you guys exactly what we did. We were just too busy talking and shit, so we didn't really film any of it, and I forgot. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But anyways, I'll be back. What's happening, y'all? It's another day out here. I'm talking on the camera, my boy. We got the homie Tyler over there. Y'all can't see him because the brightness is too bright. But anyways, we working on the 1UZ. As y'all can see, I'm sorry if I'm not giving more like consistent updates. Like, it's one small consistent update, and the next is like I'm jumping to the next thing already. But I'm so eager. I'm trying to get this all ready. Hope you guys understand. But we got the timing all good. We got the oil pan all on. Heads are torqued. Everything's all good. I'm starting to put on the front cover and stuff like that. We got the homie Tyler over here sandblasting the valve covers. I got valve covers right there. But the thing with those valve covers, they took the baffling off. Sorry, I'll be right back. I'll show you the end product of what Tyler's sandblasting. It looks pretty good. Hey, my boy, show me how this valve covers look, man. Oh yeah, this one? That motherfucker sandblasted, bro. What up, bro? That shit clean, bro. But we gotta make sure we clean them really well. Like water in, but you already know. Where's the other one at? I don't know where the other one's at. Huh. We'll look for it later, but right now, I'm gonna bring you guys out here real quick. Right now, I am painting the timing covers. Good note to self: use vinyl paint for plastic trim. So this is a good thing. My pops told me it's an old school trick, I guess, but that's what I've been doing. But like I said, I do apologize for not showing more consistent update videos on this stuff. I've been just so keen on getting all this done, and so my main priority was trying to get all this done so the engine goes in, because I'm on a time gap, you know what I mean? Like, we only have this shop here for so long, And on top of that, I'm moving to Tucson. You guys know where that is? You guys live local in Arizona, you guys know where that is. But for those who don't know, this other town is pretty far, and I'm moving all by myself, so I'm not gonna have no one that works on cars with me. So I'm trying to take my priority car. My priority car is a Supra, so I'm trying to take that with me to Tucson. But there we go. We're gonna put this on later, but for right now, I'm gonna bring you guys back over here. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep doing not consistent. I'm gonna keep doing more. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. You know what I mean? So I'll be back today. What's up, y'all? As y'all can see, we got the engine all finished up, sorta. All the main components are on there. Oil pan, the mid pan's on. The crank and the timing's all on. Sorry I haven't been keeping you guys updated. I'm just gonna keep repeating that. I'm trying to hustle this all out so I can get this all done. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on real quick on what will happen. But all 3 harnesses that I have are no good to me. One of them are for a key chip harness, like it's a key chip. So you just needed had an immobilizer. One of them, other ones were cut up pretty bad. And the harness that I actually put in work and time on, that harness, I don't know where I got it from or where it came from, but I had to go to the junkyard on Friday and pull a whole 1990 LS400 harness out with the ECU and everything else attached to it. And so right now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this engine on the hoist real quick so I can do the rear main and then put on a flywheel and such like that. And then after that, I think what's left to do is just put spark plug wires, a belt, and then finish up these covers. I'm not going to use these covers. I have a set of covers on that shelf right there. See, as you guys can see, it's that one right there. So I have a set of those, but I am trying to decide what color I'm going to paint it. So Tyler says black, but we finna go with black or silver. I don't know which one. Either it's probably silver because there's already a bunch of silver on the car, on the engine. But it's either black, gloss black, or wrinkle black. So I don't know yet. But for right now, we're just gonna put this engine on the hoist real quick, do the rear main seal, and then put on the flywheel and other stuff like that. And then yeah, hopefully by Tuesday I get the motor mount so I can drop in the motor real quick and see what's up and see what exhaust manifold I can use, because I have 2 sets of manifolds. It's either this one, it looks like it flows a lot better, and then I have this other manifold. And I know that one of these manifolds they fit perfectly, but I know one of them comes in the way of the steering shaft. So hopefully this is the one that clears it, or this is the one that clears it. So we'll find that out pretty soon. And as far as the harness, I'm gonna get the rear main on and then just plug in the harness and see what's up with that. And yeah, so it's moving along pretty quick, but I just want to give you guys an update real quick on what's up. We're finishing painting the other cover that I have right here. We're going to paint it a little bit later, or right now maybe. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, I do apologize for not keeping you guys updated, but it's moving along pretty quick. And I can't believe that just this Monday that passed by, today's Saturday night, just by like a couple days ago, this whole engine was just a block, and now it's where it's at right now. So it's pretty crazy. I'm pretty excited to have this in pretty soon. I think by this week the engine should be in the car. So I'm just gonna keep grinding it out and put you guys down and keep moving. But we got the manifold right there. Cleaned up the rail and polished it. Not polished it, but I just cleaned it up. I wanted to paint it, but I just decided to leave it. But I'm put the camera down. and we're gonna keep moving on with this progress. So I'll bring you guys out next time around. But for right now, like, what's up, y'all? It's another day. I think we started with, let's say, let me get this adjusted. We started last week with nothing but a bare block. We got some heads, we got all the water cooling system all on, connected and everything sealed up. So just want to give you guys a quick rundown. We got the XAT flywheel, XAT clutch. We got what else? ARP hardware all around. So for the rods, the crank, the flywheel bolts, and we got an MLS gasket, metal gasket for the heads, and she's looking pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna brighten it up a little bit. Let's see, hopefully you guys can see that. But anyways, there's like a gold flake to it. You guys can kind of see it. There you go. There's a gold flake to the head, valve covers. So I went ahead and did that little tasteful ad. But right now, just want to give you guys a quick update. This is probably going to be the end of this video for this one. Next video is just me putting the engine in the car. So just right now I finished up putting the flywheel and pressure plate. So everything's all set. We got the excessive manufacturing motor mounts, and then we got the energy suspension engine mount. So let me see. This is the plate. This is the engine mount. This is off of excessive. This is got it at AutoZone. So yeah. I want to let you guys know what was up. Pretty soon we're gonna figure out what's going on with the exhaust. I think a lot of people say it's a Koya manifolds fit, but I'm gonna see if I can modify the ones I have over here. They're tubular and they look pretty cool. These ones right here, but we'll see what's up, because I've read a lot that these won't actually fit up these ones or these ones right there. So I'm gonna figure out what's up, see which ones I can use and can't use, and if I have to go get Sequoia or Tundra manifold, exhaust manifolds, then I have to go do that. But I just want to give you guys a little update and finish this video so I can start this other video of me installing the engine in the car. Most of you guys might ask how am I not pulling the transmission with the engine? Well, that's because I got to figure out, one, the wiring harness, two, I got to figure out all the hoses for the fuel and stuff like that, and other miscellaneous stuff. Transmission I don't have right now because it's getting rebuilt. So one of them is getting rebuilt, and I'm not getting an update on how long it's taking. But I just want to set it in there. I have a lift here, so we can just when we get the transmission, just put it on the lift and then just put in the transmission. So I want to let you guys know it's making progress, it's getting there. But I'm gonna finish it for this video. I'll be making next video of me installing the engine into the car and getting all the wiring all plumbed up. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like the content, what you guys been watching. But I'll catch you guys later. Peace.